Hi guys, I have got this Agaro hair dryer which has got 2 speed and 3 temperature control. This has got some really unique features like this concentrator nozzle for better airflow and this cool shot button for effective waves and curls you can give to your hair. It has got a long 1.8 meters wire and this hanging loop is very helpful for you to hang your dryer. It has got a wave heating coil for effective heating and it has got an auto shut off button, so when the dryer gets overheated it will automatically shut off. The size of the dryer is really very compact, which is very easy to carry. I totally love this dryer because of its look and feel. It has got this velvety finish. So guys, go and check out this product from Agaro. It is really awesome and you're totally going to love it. Thank you so much.